Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify DNS settings for smart home services, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify DNS settings for your smart home services, start by accessing your router. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type your router's IP address. Press enter to navigate to the router's login page. Enter your username and password to log in. Once logged in, locate the DNS settings section. This is typically found under the Network Settings or Internet Settings menu. Take note of the current DNS server addresses listed. Next, open a command prompt or terminal on your device. If you're using Windows, type CMD in the Start menu search and hit Enter. For Mac OS, open Spotlight by pressing Command and Space, then type Terminal. In the command, press Enter to see the DNS server currently being used. Verify that this matches the DNS servers listed in your router settings. If your smart home devices are not connecting properly, consider using a public DNS service. Common options include Google's public DNS with IP addresses 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. To change the DNS settings, go back to your router settings. Replace the existing DNS addresses with the new public DNS addresses. Save the changes and restart your router for the new settings to take effect. After restarting, verify the DNS settings again using the lookup command. This will confirm that your devices are using the new DNS servers. Finally, test your smart home devices to ensure they are connected properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.